When the display appears splash screen, ghost image, font offset, and other phenomena, we need to update the screen parameters of the Android board. Take the 3568V Android board for example. The display has a splash screen. Select the corresponding screen parameters file according to the actual phenomenon and put it in the root directory at the USB flash drive. Next, open the file name extension. Rename the screen parameters file. Note that the naming convention varies from Android board to Android board. You can save the details by taking a screenshot. Plug the USB flash drive into the USB port on the Android board. The system will automatically update and reboot after recognizing the screen parameters file to complete the update.